Coming up in this video, I've got a really simple but super tasty cocktail that you can make at home using Dead Mans Fingers brand new mango flavoured rum. Stay tuned. Hey gang, I'm Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits even more. Today this little cocktail recipe is with Dead Mans Fingers brand new mango rum. Big shout out before we go any further to my patrons. We've got Ben, we've got Christopher, we've got Mark and we've got Lucy. Thank you so much for supporting me on this journey, and we're gonna I'll talk more about my Patreon at the end, but right now let's get into this super tasty brand new rum. As I keep saying, I am rubbish at naming cocktails, so when you see the ingredients, when you see the cocktail, I want you to come up with your suggestions, put them in the comments box below, and then I'll pick the best one and that can go into my cocktail book. So this cocktail, this is actually going to be in a champagne flute, and I'm going to do this properly. So I'm going to chill down the champagne flute. Just got some crushed ice there. If you keep it in the fridge or the freezer, that's just as good. I'm going to shake this cocktail down. This is sort of like a mango mimosa, if you like, but you know, let's get a bit more creative. I'm rubbish at naming cocktails, so there we go. Right, as it's a slightly smaller glass, I'm just going 35ml of mango rum. 35ml. There we go. Next ingredient is some freshly squeezed orange juice, just supermarket own. You could even squeeze an orange if you want, but just supermarket own. The only thing I will say is try and get freshly squeezed orange juice in the fresh aisle. It will taste so much better than the carton stuff, the long life stuff. Anyway, 50ml, 50ml in there. There we go. And then just to kind of finish that bit off, we're just going for a little bit of sugar syrup, not too much. I'm just literally going 5ml. There we go, about 5ml. If you want a little bit more, that's up to you, but I just want 5ml in this. So there we have it. That's our main ingredients so far. So we're just going to ice that down and give it a good shake. There we go, plenty of ice. Tin on, hard and fast shake, get it properly nice and chilled down, about 12 seconds. Right, when you are happy that's nicely chilled down, pop your tin off, get rid of your ice out of your glass. That is nicely chilled now. Look at that, perfect. Right, I'm gonna double strain this into there. I don't want any little bits of ice going into this glass, so just double strain. Look at that. Lovely. If you've ever had sort of mimosas at breakfast before, sort of mimosas, kind of vodka Cointreau, that kind of thing. This is a perfect sort of mango twist. Lovely. And then to finish this off, get all that in there. To finish this off, just your favourite Prosecco, Cava, Champagne. I've just, because I don't actually drink it too much, I've just got a little baby bottle of Prosecco. Just top that up very slowly, because it'll froth up just like that. While that's doing, just to garnish, again, garnish something I haven't actually got any, but garnish, you could do raspberries, something like that, or strawberry. I'm just going to go for an orange wheel. And I have got dehydrated that I normally use, but I want a fresh one for this. So there we have it. Bit of an orange wheel. Top up with a bit more Prosecco. Perfect. And that is, well, you're going to come up with a name, but that is kind of like a mango mimosa. But give me your names in the comments below. You have to move that orange now. That's a bit naughty. Oh, that is so good. Honestly, you are absolutely going to love that. Oh, that is amazing. The mango rum, the orange juice. Oh, really, really good. Just that little bit of extra sugar just to bring the flavours out. That is amazing. So as I say, come up with a decent name, stick it in the comments below. If you like me, if you like this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell if you want to be notified every time I go set a new video live. And final shout out to my Patreon, my membership tiers. If you want exclusive content, my free cocktail books, weekly kind of simple serve suggestions, go and check that out. Links in the show notes and in the comments. Cheers.